Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the skill tree navigation in God of War Ragnarok. First, navigate to settings using the arrow buttons and select with the X button. Then navigate to gameplay and select it with the X button. Then navigate to playstyle section and find the skill navigation option and change it to directional buttons or default, which means using the left thumbstick, or directional buttons, which means the arrow buttons on the left side of the controller. That's it for today's video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.